This is a fascial manipulation technique for knee pain. This is based on a study by Pedrelli, Stecker and Day in 2009 who identified this treatment technique could help to reduce pain from patellar tendinopathy. In practice, I find it's very valuable for reducing quadricep tension and knee pain from a variety of different causes. Firstly, if pain is felt in the knee, assess for a focal tender point on the medial lateral thigh between the rectus femoris and the vastus lateralis. To perform the treatment, begin with sustained deep pressure over the tender area, and this can be achieved by using your thumb, a key grip or an elbow, or potentially a massage tool such as a rock blade. Following the sustained pressure and the reduction in pain, friction massage is recommended over the region. Improved knee flexion range and reduced pain with loading should be achieved following this technique.